In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner next to camera. If you can't see it, select this icon also at the bottom left corner and then access the plus one. Finally, you need to click on Audio section to add an audio file. Pick one of those sources. Tap on your file that you wish to attach and hit Done at the bottom. As you can see, after that mine was successfully added. To add a video one instead, click on Video section. Select your video by tapping on it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!